Girls, comment down below. Girly fun, and boys, comment down below. Hashtag brothers. First we're going to be playing with this slime. So yeah. It's not going to happen with money. Everybody's raising money. So there's going to be a couple of challengers to Joe Biden that are going to emerge. We're going to have 3 or 4 horse race that's going to go for a while, but it is clearly could be Joe Biden's Instagram swirl. They have not necessarily gone for the winner in their field. Republicans are ended up until the Trump phenomenon. There we go. Democrats have a much better. So there's that slide. Always remember, bags kind of take out the stretchiness, but for some reason containers, they keep it fresh. Now we're going to play with this slime. A very big amount of slime. Alright. We will also be playing with a secret putty. Well, secret putty at the end. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one up. Now we're going to play with this one. Look at all those bubbles. I like this. It has a lot of sparkles. It's a really good color. I just love it. But yeah. So, now we are going to be putting that slime away. And I'm going to go get the secret putties. Here are my secret putties. We have Pinky, Banana Flakes, and Silly Putty. First we're going to be playing with the Silly Putty. I'm going to show you guys a cool little trick. So I'm going to go get some newspaper. Okay, here's some newspaper. And now I'm going to put the Silly Putty on the newspaper. And now the words are on the Silly Putty. I don't know if you can see it, but even if you stretch it, it kind of stays on there. But yeah. The harder you push on it, the more darker the words are. So see that? Now you can see it. But that was our Silly Putty. But yeah, so yeah. I'll close that later. Nothing's hard to close. Now for the Pinky. I really like this putty. I actually made it myself with this little putty maker. I'm going to use a glue cap to get this out of the container. Now I'm going to use a Lego piece, which I'm probably going to lose too. Ah, I can't get it out. Here's another glue cap. Got it. Okay. Here's Pinky. It's actually really pretty and it's really good. I have about like 7 of those putty slime making kits. But yeah.
So that was Pinky. So I'm gonna put Pinky back in her box. This is Banana Flakes. Oh, my cinnamon rolls are done. This is Banana Flakes. My dad will get that in a second. But these are Banana Flakes. They have like little sparkles in it, but it's yellow. And this one is probably my favorite. Out of a couple of them. Ooh. But yeah, I like this one. And so this putty, it's not as stretchy, but it's really beautiful. And so yeah. So that was my video. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Girls, comment down below girly fun, and boys, comment down below #brothers. And I'll see you next time.